Wow, it's been a minute. At this point, more like months. Okay, so this is a quick update to the channel. I'm still here, obviously, but I'm very busy. I can use the typical excuses, I'm busy. But I wanted to give a quick update to what I've been up to. I've been working on some other projects that kind of took away my time from the main project I had, but that's okay. It's still there. It's just a little bit on the back burner. Priorities kind of changed. I have another project that I'm currently working on. It's a more short-term project, and that one is called Dingy. That's the one I'm working on with my wife right now. That one is still on the go. We want to release that one first because it's more of a mobile app, let's just say, right? So we want to get that out, test the water, see how everything goes, go through the whole process. The biggest problem that I'm having right now, as with usual, typically with YouTube and everything else, social media business, is time constraints, right? You only have a certain amount of time to do everything, which is one of the reasons why I'm going to keep these videos on YouTube and such shorter. If I do make longer videos, I'll put those things on like Gumroad or other marketplaces for you to have access to. But currently right now, I want to keep the video short. I'm going to be doing more tips and tutorials, same as I was doing with Game Creator, but I'll include more things like ZBrush, Maya. And speaking of which, actually with ZBrush and Maya, I am actually taking it onto myself to transition, not away, not out of, but I'm going to transition into Blender. I'm going to see if I can move my pipeline into a Blender workflow. And if it does work, you will see all the progress from that. So I'm going to start uploading a few videos on my process. Again, they're going to be very short, and you're going to see how I'm going to transition as a Maya user, a die-hard Maya user for over a decade now, into Blender. So like I said, I want to keep the video short. It's just an update, just to let you know I'm here, and just to let you know that I'm going to be creating smaller videos in the coming weeks, especially when I go into break, which I have a little bit more time to record and do all this stuff here. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't realized, I have a new setup. I have my own little space station here, and I got myself one of these awesome M1X Max. 32 gig, this thing is almost at the top of the line. It is smoking, I'm loving it, and we're working with ZBrush right now, and I haven't touched Substance Painter yet, but I will get to that. Working with ZBrush right now is fluid. All the other apps, very fluid. I cannot wait to get into Blender and see how everything works with the M1X 32 gig Mac back here, along with my Huion big old tablet that I have. I'm still excited for the channel. I still want to get a lot of stuff out to you guys, so stay tuned, and thank you all for being patient. I will have a lot more coming very, very soon. That all said, take care, have fun creating games.